Hey guys, right here at the 2011 Yamaha Mio automatic.
And today I'm gonna make a startup and a quick review, show you the features on the whole motorcycle. And so, without further hesitations, let's get started up and let it run. Here's the key. Let's go ahead and start up first. This motorcycle is an automatic transmission. Before to start the motorcycle, let's insert the key to the slot right here. Put it on. And basically this is an automatic transmission. There's no shifters in the under the motorcycle. No kicking shifting. It's an automatic transmission. It's automatically shifting the motorcycle. All you have to do is just apply the rear brake and front brake and hit the button start. Beautiful. This motorcycle is the exterior of the motorcycle is a black, and the steering wheel in this motorcycle is in black, and you have a instructions right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn in the indicators on the left side. Lights, high beams, 360 degrees for the exterior of the motorcycle. I forgot to mention, you have two ways to starting the engine of the motorcycle. There's a kicking lever on here, just kick it, and you need to start the vehicle, or the motor vehicle. Alright. Let's turn off these headlights, high beams, and indicators. You have a storage area on both sides. Adjustable mirror. That's it for the startup. We're gonna turn off first now. And check out the rest of the motorcycle. You have storage in under the seat. To lock the steering wheel, all you have to do, just steer in the right, insert the key, and push all the way to lock. Alright, so that's it, our startup and the quick review of this 2011 Yamaha Mio. Stay tuned to my next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.